Hey guys, we're going over the test review for our two-dimensional figures test, part 1. Questions 1 through 10, we're stating if the statement is true or false. If it's false, we're rewriting it to correct it and make it true. Number 1, the distance around a circle is the perimeter. This vocab word is incorrect. The distance around a circle is its circumference. Number 2, the circumference of a circle is how many square units the circle's space takes up. If I were to draw a circle and make square units on the inside, this would be the area. Not the circumference, the area. Circumference goes around the outer part of the circle. Okay? Number 3, triangles that are similar have congruent side lengths. If I hear the sound again, I will take it. Triangles that are similar have congruent angles in their sides are proportional. For example, here's a right triangle that's large. Here's a right triangle that's small. These angles are the same, and these are the same as well. This is 16, this is 8, and this is 12, and this is 6. Alright, the distance from the center of the circle to the outside edge is the diameter. If I draw a circle, and I give it a center, and I go from the center to the outside edge, I have made my radius. Not my diameter. Triangles that are similar have congruent corresponding angles. Yes, we said that up here. Congruent angles. We also need to write corresponding. Corresponding. This is true. The formula for circumference is C equals pi times D, or C equals 2 pi r. Yes, because the diameter is equal to 2 radii. 7. Pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Well, if C equals pi times D, and I want to get rid of D from both sides, I will cross out the D's over here on the right, and I will be left with C over D equals pi. And this is C to D as well. So this is true. The area of a circle can be derived by splitting the circle into smaller segments. So we did a unit on this in our Chums book, where they took the circle and they had pieces of it, and then they alternated the pieces to make a lower plane. And then it curved here, here. Here, not perfect. This piece is a little bit bigger. This is true. 9. The area of a circle measures the distance of a two-dimensional object. No, we've demonstrated this up here with the square units. It measures the square units. How much space it covers. Covered space. Area formula for a circle is A equals pi times radius squared, where r squared is equal to 2 times r. That is incorrect. This equals pi times radius times radius. No 2 involved there unless r equals 2. (11) Maddie traces a circle with a diameter of 300 centimeters, like the one shown below. She will color the shaded region only. If I color this in, I'm only shading in half of a circle. But when I find area, I use pi times radius squared, and this is a whole circle. So in order to find half, I need to divide by 2 at the end. So my diameter is 300. My radius would be half of that, which is 150. And my radius squared would be 15 times 15. And then I'd add 2 zeros. 225 and 2 zeros. So times 100. There's my radius squared. Area equals 3.14. Have y'all sprayed your chairs? Okay, go ahead and spray now, please. Equals 3.14 times 22,500. So 22,500 times 3.14. 4 times 0, 0, 0, 2. That's 8, 9, 10. And that's 9. 1 times all of that is 0, 0, 5, 2, 2. 2 places. 3 times that is 0, 0, 5. That's 7 and 6. 0, 0, 0, 5, 9, 10, 11 plus 5 is 16, 0, 1. Oh wait, no, this is 9. And this is 6. 6, 9, 6, 5. Oh no, this is 0. And this is 7. So 7650 with 2 decimal places right there. Then cut it in half. Half of 70 is 35. And half of 650 is 325. Boom. Betty wants to attach a string of fringe along the circular bottom edge. Wherever we say circular bottom edge, that's circumference of the tablecloth that she's making. The diameter of the cloth is 36 centimeters. Gentlemen, About how many centimeters long should Betty make this string of beads? So circumference equals pi times diameter. And my diameter is 36. So my circumference is 3.14 times 36. 314, 36. 4, 8, 18. 2, 4, 9. 4, 0, 3, 1, 1. My circumference equals 113.04 centimeters. On to number 13. All right, so question 13, it says a Ferris wheel rotates around 15 times during one ride. That's 15 times the circumference because that's a rotation. If the radius of the Ferris wheel is 18 feet, the diameter is going to be double that, which is 36. About how many feet does the Ferris wheel rotate in one ride? So here I'm going to do circumference equals pi times diameter, which is 3.14 times 36. Then once I find this answer, I'm going to multiply by 15. So I'm going to get an answer here, then times 15 to get my total. So then I'll get my final answer. All right, number 14. Triangle QRS and triangle QTV are similar. QRS and QTV. For this one, make sure that you match corresponding angles with their partner. They go with down, they go with down, they go with. And when you're making your proportions, because you need 4 of them, one has to be wrong. Doesn't matter which one. Keep in mind the names of the segments. So for example, QR goes with QT. You have to go in order. Q first, then T second. Q first, then R second, because it's first place, second place. Okay, or you can do SR matches or corresponds with VT. Whoops. Because SR is third, second, third, second. You can do QV corresponds to QS. You can do RS corresponds to TV. You can do SQ corresponds to VQ. You can also do RQ corresponds to TQ. Or you could do VQ corresponds to SQ. So these are segments or corresponding segments or sides. Corresponding sides. Number 15. Sheila made a scale model of the Statue of Liberty. The statue was an actual height of 708 feet. Sheila's model uses scale in which 1 inch represents 100 feet. 708, 1 inch is 100 feet. So I've got feet on the top, inches on the bottom. I know that 100 feet is 1 inch, and I know that 708 feet is X inches. Solve for X. Two parallelograms below are similar. What is the length of side PQ? X. Make a proportion. Something and something. Larry painted a tabletop that is shaped like a circle. The circumference of the circle was 8 pi feet. What's the area of the tabletop in square feet? If my circumference equals pi times diameter, and my circumference also equals 8 pi, what is 8? And then what is R? For area, I need pi times radius squared. So what is R squared as well? What's R squared? These are questions that you need to answer to help solve this problem.